Hello and welcome to this new video on how to edit bio on OnlyFans. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon. Now let's get started. So firstly, we need to open the web browser of your choice, and when you have opened it, in the top there is a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type OnlyFans, and when you have written it, just press enter in the keyboard and the search result is shown to you. You just have to click on the first web search result, that is OnlyFans. Just click on it, and I have logged in. So this is the interface that is shown. And in the top of the left hand side, there is a circular icon. You just have to click on the circular icon, and there will be the username of yours. You just have to click on the username, and this interface is shown to you, and there is an edit profile option. Just click on this button, and when you scroll down a little bit, there is a bio section here. You just have to click on this bio section, delete the current bio, and you can add the new bio or edit the bio as you wish. And when you have entered the bio of your choice, you edit the bio of your choice, in the top right hand side there is a save button. You can just click on the save button and your new bio will be saved. So this is how you can edit bio on OnlyFans. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.